Normalcy awaits Manipur University. All arrested students and teachers of Manipur University released unconditionally from Sajiwa jail today. Governor Najma Heptullah assures to meet interlocutor R.N. Ravi and urge him to refrain from giving controversial statements hurting the people of Manipur. Chief Minister Nongthom Bambiren assures of restoring normalcy in Manipur University without further delay. Mahun Minister T.H. Shyamkumar says state government plans to set up an exclusive mall for selling organic vegetables and food items. And BJP Manipur Pradesh and its allies accord warm reception to Chief Minister Nongthom Bambiren on being acclaimed as India's best 3 chief ministers. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Rashmi Lashram with the top stories and latest news at this hour. All the arrested students and teachers of Manipur University were released unconditionally from Sajiwa jail today. Normal activities will resume in the university from tomorrow. Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal East issued the release order, and all the 6 professors and 8 students of Manipur University who were arrested acting on the FIR filed by Professor K. Yugindro, as well as all the JSCC members who were arrested for agitating against Manipur University crisis, were released unconditionally. People accorded a heroic welcome as the freed students and teachers came out of the jail. However, Praja member Popilal, who was arrested for taking part in the ACT protests against the varsity impasse, remained in prison. Governor Najma Heptullah has assured to hold talks with interlocutor of Indo-Naga peace talk R.N. Ravi to refrain from giving controversial statements affecting the sentiments of the people of Manipur. The governor has also called it justifiable to carry out a judicial inquiry into the police raids that occurred on the intervening night of September 20 and 21 in the boys' hostel of Manipur University. The same was intimated by members of Committee of Political Parties to media at Congress Bhavan today. Committee convener R.K. Anand stated that representatives of the committee met with the governor this morning at 11 following the submission of memorandum as per People's Political Convention on September 29. He added that major points listed in the memorandum were approved as reasonable by the governor. R.K. Anand asserted that the people of the state were frenziedly offended with some of the comments made by R.N. Ravi. It may be mentioned that the People's Political Convention held on September 21-29 resolved to pressurize relevant authority to resolve MU impasse, controversies over Naga Framework Agreement, Citizenship Amendment Bill, price hikes, and Indo-Myanmar border pillar, amongst others.
Kai hubugi mong da R.N. Ravi nang aitan to buse magi good office na biraga chap chaba action nama lauraga masyamon tawduna ba wafam se koi tamjarami
parliament ki directive amalai each state ta yamdrapata numit yankhai mangani working days session phamoy whereas koi Manipur numit kuntrani shude ko se hi being a parliamentarian ma she has to admit speaker the wari shage adu cabinet ki makha su pomna ichi min se su kaurga wari shage masimadi tangai phadana sitting gi numit si helen batai issue mayam sidi assembly floor the khannaraga madugi outcome adune hen chungoda bane have si felt it framework agreement gi matang da koina hairiba point sing si ma feel tawe maramadun man hai sumaina marakta munphat tane he nang statement thorpuse tawganu haina ma haigre hai ma tarikun mari Delhi chakani R.N. Ravi shi ma kaurga unaningbagi magi advice piningbagi sumaina hai
maruena mana sumain tawduna paper da marak marak ta phongdok ta tawbase magi mathau nate interlocutor isdi tuminna manungda sinba puram yat panipa du oigidabni mana the spokesperson oina tawrise masina leba ka hen nabagi macha ama oina honorable governor na phongdok pire.
Chief Minister Nongthom Biren has assured that normalcy will soon be restored in Manipur University. Attending the 6th All Manipur Catholic Schools Biennial Games and Sports Meet today, the Chief Minister conveyed that the government and the university community held talks and agreed to solve out the differences. Catholic Educational Society Manipur organized a 5-day sports meet which began yesterday at Catholic School in Kantipur. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Biren appealed aggrieved people of the state to raise their grievances to the government instead of calling strikes and ban, bringing inconvenience to the public. The Chief Minister lauded Catholic Society for enhancing education sector in the state. He maintained that Catholic Society not only aware young students on moral values and social activities, but also contribute a great deal to human service. Around 1,800 students from altogether 36 Catholic schools are participating in the games and sports meet. Mahun Minister T.H. Shyam Kumar and PhD Minister Losi Dikho also attended the event.
It is my earnest request to the Catholic Educational Society to work that extra mile to ensure that every child get their due attention as we march forward on the road to prosperity and development. Let us teach our children to appreciate the dignity of labor, love for history, culture and tradition, and the respect for the elderly. Crisis of the Manipur University were time to end in yesterday night. One MOU was signed between the student communities and the government of Manipur, and I believe from today onwards, those in jail who were arrested with the issues of the Manipur University will be released today, and normalcy will be restored. I would like to appeal to the masses, please come forward for a peaceful coexisting. Dialogue, talk is the only solution. We should not disturb the academic career of the students, the life of the day-to-day earners by calling ban and a blockade or general strike. We should totally stop this kind of culture and we should start a new era. We can govern together, we can live together, we can work together.
Horticulture and Soil Conservation Minister Thaunajam Shyam Kumar has stated the government is planning to set up an exclusive mall for selling organic vegetables and food items in the state. He was speaking at the inaugural of a second organic outlet at Manipur Apex Society Complex opposite ISBT Khumalampak today. Ukhrul District Tribal Development Council will run the outlet constructed under Manipur Organic Mission Agency and make available various organic vegetables from Ukhrul District. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Shyam Kumar stated that the department endeavors to make Manipur fully organic and to enhance the farmers' income. He appealed to support the department in its efforts to promote and increase production of organic produce in the state. It may be mentioned that under Centre's Mission Organic Value Chain Development for the Northeast, Manipur Organic Mission Agency has opened the first ever organic outlet in Northeast at Sanjanthong in Imphal.
Government is ready to expand this area. So then organic shopping mall. Money is organic key. Audience hamada ni madam lava. Adagi production ji am lava. Adagi production la kusi demand laga production hita turi ne. Adana koi adu kadi sigi jaga ase kunna su sagi siamne ku su kahana jago. Tilagi expansion matan matan tawbe.
Bharatiya Janata Party, Manipur Pradesh and its allied partners including Northeast India Development Party and NEIDP accorded a warm reception to Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren upon being included among the top 3 chief ministers of the country and the best among the NDA-led state governments. The grand reception ceremony was held at City Convention Centre. Ministers and leaders of allied political parties, including Deputy Chief Minister, lauded Chief Minister Biren for the achievement and wished him to continue his good deeds for the state. Speaking in the event, Chief Minister Biren assured to continue working as a true leader until the mindset of looking down on politicians as thieves is removed and assured of working in the interests of the public. Minister Biren also stated that a total messy land of 5,800 acres due to Ithai barrage in and around Loktak Lake will be converted into a water body to facilitate fish farming and hence save 400 crore rupees spent annually in purchasing fishes from outside the state. He hoped that Manipur will be self-reliant in fish products by 2020. The Chief Minister also stated that steps will be taken towards making organic fertilizer from floating masses, which is the pumdi of the lake. Biren also assured of launching a new tribal welfare scheme by the end of October to provide alternative means of livelihood for those who once cultivated poppy plants in the hilly districts. The Chief Minister called on government officials to spend extra hours in their workplace and urge everyone to respect one another to bring about a developed state.
Case culture ki nga puthoka 2020 matungdadi ki nga se mapani pusalagumsi Manipur da self sustainable da ko puthoka tausi haidana do mission nama farmer mayam ko na se mayang ifal gi wangoi gi Bishnupur gi goinam gi loina farmers na koi identify to bolo ne mi changa gi matak moi do se koi bank engage or le sob loan period ni kari gi noi koi na sarkar amale re praja wa doris hoi dia koi thakat pa soi hidam ne koi se smart uta ji gi asa gi amin gi se dum lai ne koi chana bi ko adu hujik ni ban blockade da ni thol kar ni ko khonga apni praja pap ta ba yam la hengala yam se so adu la koi koi si phangi.
Information Center for Hill Areas Manipur, Icham, lauded Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren upon being included in the top 3 chief ministers of the country and the best among the NDA-led state governments. Addressing media at Icham office near Kekrupa today, Icham President Yuimi Horam stated that the hardly 2-year-old state government led by Chief Minister Biren and his Council of Ministers is working earnestly for the welfare of the people. He asserted the present government gives equal emphasis for both the hills and the valley, which rightfully earned him a place in the top 3 best chief ministers of India.
Aikoi icham nasu yamna thakacheri nungai ba phongthokcheri Honorable CM na achievement hangbasi Manipur gi damak history grid tawbibani aikoi Manipur is now namaki nungai bani chahi ani complete tawdri ngai da asumaina achievement urukba haibasi Council of Ministry ababa leibadagini aduga aikoi ki Honorable CM na development aduga aikoi Manipur si change ama purak ning bagi tama achievement si purak bani haina haininge.
Committee of Civil Society's Kanglei Park CCSK in a press release informed that the 3rd Manipur gi Puarida Miyamgi Laingak Laikhibanumit will be held at Iboyama Shumang Lila Shanglen on October 18. Northeast India Development Party NEIDP has opened its new office at Senapati district today. NEIDP Senapati district unit organized the inaugural event at Senapati Bazaar. Speaking in the event, NEIDP Manipur State President Daukhomang Khongsai urged all for unity and to bring forth common issues to the central government for development. He said, NEIDP is a regional party of Manipur covering all 8 northeastern states. He asserted that NEIDP works for welfare and development regardless of community, color and language differences. Daw Khomang stated that the party has its branch offices in Churachandpur, Jiri, Sekmai and Senapati, and more offices will be opened in all the districts of the state. Asserting that the party is working for an equal development of both the hills and the valley, Daw Khomang urged for all to support the endeavour of the party. NEIDP Manipur State Unit Vice President Yumnam Nabachandra, State Unit Executive Members, NEIDP Senapati District President M. John, Executive Members of Churachandpur and Sekmai units, and many party supporters attended the event.
Jati nai daba political party ichin now ekoi marak tasu Muslim suyauri Jingmi Kuki Naga suyauri ichin now Mete suyauri punna ekoi wakalon se amata uraga North East India Development Party sida ekoi na sarup jaraga mainland na ekoi North East India gi Mijing si yam pik na yam tun na ubagum tur bagi si mayam si chungsin naraga NIDP sida ekoi gi issue ekoi gi awat na pa ekoi gi development si pukhat laga center sida amuk tang ekoi amata ubi wakanda chat laga angtang jing hanse.
District Magistrate Imphal East in a press release informed that ban has been imposed on sale and bursting of firecrackers and gambling in connection with Durga Puja, Panthoibi Iratpa and Diwali festival celebrations in Imphal East District, except on the day of the festival itself. However, gambling like dice games at inappropriate places which may cause public inconvenience is strictly forbidden. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on World Food Day Observance 2018. Keep watching Impact News. The Agriculture Department observed World Food Day 2018 on the theme Our Action or Our Future, a Zero Hunger World by 2030 is possible at the department's office in Sanjanthong today. Speaking in the event, Agriculture Department Director P.H. Rajendra stated that all the state and center-sponsored agricultural schemes are not properly implemented in the state, causing great hindrance in enhancing agriculture produce. He urged all the department officials to work sincerely. He added that the amount of production of rice in the state helped in recognizing the Agriculture Department. However, the amount of production of rice in the state has declined as per the target amount due to natural calamities witnessed in the state. He further added that the amount of production is estimated to be lesser for this year on account of floods and droughts in the state. Meanwhile, lack of awareness among the farmers and people in remote villages and lack of cooperation among department officials further contributed to their challenges. He said that registration of farmers to identify the real farmers, implementation of schemes and projects to circle agricultural officer on time, awareness on organic concept of farming, giving of soil health card are the main aim of today's program, and to not depend on others for food and zero hunger by 2030. Agriculture Department Joint Director Y. Shyam, Executive Engineer T.H. Dilip and department officials attended the event.
Population is double some hangalakwa, Lamni Pixel of Nekoi. Masiki challenge in Yakuna Tangaribase. Other Masikra Kaloga, Haragadi, was you 60 Manipugi context the Dekoi, ongoing scheme, quite was 11 numbers of ongoing scheme Taurise. Masida district Hadariba, Quenelo Center of Pasaya, Mayam, the Pasha Hadariba, plus Quake Department, young Launa, Pakaliba schemes, in sincerely implement the holder by Quay Manipursi in the government the way representative of Quang Moika lady. Masiki apprehension among on the arm sound and lady. As over dropping a quid labor, food grain productions, a quay, Togahan, Tami, Targesi, a sheep of Huyo.
World Food Day 2018 was also observed in Taubal district today. KVK Taubal organized the event held on the theme Invest in Food Security and Rural Development at KVK Conference Hall. Subject experts, farmers and students attended the event. Association of Food Scientists and Technologists India, Manipur chapter organized World Food Day 2018 today. The day on the theme Greening the Blue globally. Meanwhile, AFST India supports Precise Eat Right movement was observed in the food processing hall of the Department of Trade, Commerce and Industries at Porompat. Speaking on the occasion, Honorary Secretary of the Association of Food Scientists and Technologists, India Manipur Chapter, T.H. Joy Chandra, appealed to stop wasting food, especially during feasts.
Aduga hojiksi ekhoina greening the blue haibasi ekhoi ge di kanabu ayam bana ekhoina Manipur tawya basi koi waste oina satkhi gadaba natraga leiriba mayam jingse masina sinna ba yaba karam mongda food production ga mari lenana leinaba mong sinna ba yanaba hona ba adugi thawongne.
Winners of the painting competitions held on October 12 in relation to police commemoration were felicitated today. Bishnupur District Police organized a painting competition in Nambol, Moirang and Bishnupur. Floral tributes were showered to deceased 25 police personnel for their outstanding duties in the event held at Mayanganba Laibung in Bishnupur SP Complex. Socialist Women Association has launched a campaign against drug abuse in Khaide Makhalekai Nganu Laima Lairembi Lampak today. A meeting was also held to aware people about the effects of drug abuse in society and future generations. Working members of partner organizations, namely MPPDU and POFM, also took part in the campaign. A new vocational training center for differently abled persons was opened at Awang Khunau in Imphal West today. Chairman of Salai Holdings Private Limited, Narengbam Samajit inaugurated a training center constructed by Salai Holdings Private Limited in collaboration with UNESCO Club Manipur as part of its Corporate Social Responsibility Program 2018. UNESCO Club Manipur, an observation committee on UN Day 2018, organized the inaugural event at the residence of President Award awardee wheelchair painter T.H. Sarju in Awang Khunau, Maninglekai. Speaking on the occasion, Narengbam Samajit assured of all possible assistance for T.H. Sarju in all her future endeavor from Salai Holdings Private Limited.
Salai gi akhoi warrior khudimangna ugam chena lepkani matam punamakta ichen gi dangta koi support togune habse asi miyam gi mamangda yak thamjari nupi khudimakta sidabi imagi maru khun khirba ngaktani adu ichen dasu madugi chapsaba sidabi imagi maru adu khulibani sidabi ima haibasidi pot khudimapu hinganduna thamba ngamba yoktuna thamba ngamba amade mapung mahi marong phan mangamba palan mangamba adubu adugi dundubuni sidabi ima haibase aduna nupi khudingmakta madui gundu yauribani.
Popular Front of India has launched a national health campaign on Healthy People, Healthy Nation at Sangai Yumpham today. The campaign will conclude on October 31st. State Vice President of PFI Manipur, Mufti Arshad Hussain Kwasme, launched a campaign by flagging off a marathon at Sangai Yumpham Nungbhau Bazaar. Speaking in the event, Mufti Arshad Hussain said, PFI initiated the campaign with an aim for a healthy society. Health awareness, yoga, martial arts and fitness exercise demonstrations were the highlights of the first day of the campaign. Yumkhaibam Nanau, who walked rally from India Gate till Kangla Gate, spreading the message of unity, no drugs and to stand against crimes towards women, was also felicitated on the occasion. Rohan Philem has embarked on a 35-day nationwide cycle journey to spread the message Save Sangai and Humanity. Chancellor of the Sharda University, P.K. Gupta, flagged off the journey from the university campus in Greater Noida today. He will cycle through 12 states and cover approximately 35,000 kilometers. Rohan intends to promote Sangai Festival during the tour supported by the state government and various other civil society organizations under the guidance of Sharda University. It may be recalled that Rohan earlier cycled from Delhi to Imphal, spreading awareness for a pollution-free country. Indigenous Association of Kanglai Park, IPARC, in a press release urged relevant authorities to stop the construction of Ras Leela platform at Kangla Laiphamling. Manipur State Film Development Society is all set to dispatch 2 delegates from Manipur to participate in the 49th International Film Festival of India 2018, which will be organized by the Directorate of Film Festival, Government of India, at Panaji in Goa from November 20th to the 28th this year. Manipur State Film Development Society, in a press release, informed all interested individuals who are proficient in film production, direction, making and acting to submit relevant documents to the organization within October 28. Oja Sagol Semjati, also popularly known as Nongban Saba in Moirang Parvalila, died at the age of 97 at his residence in Narimthong, Laishram Lairak on October 14. Ipat Hokok Uripok Narimthong has expressed remorse at his demise. Oza Jati was very popular in his lifetime for portraying the role of Nongban from Kaishamthong Moirang Parva to Tera Urak Moirang Parva. Manipur Sahitya Parishad and Cultural Forum Manipur awarded him numerous times for his contributions in hyping Moirang Parva Lila. Four new models of Nissan companies Datsun Go, namely Datsun Go D, Datsun Go A with EPS, Datsun Go T and Datsun Go TO were launched today. The launching ceremony was held at Island Nissan, a company retail showroom in Kanchipur. Principal of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur, P.H. Landhoni, and Managing Director of Island Nissan Showroom, P.H. Romikanta, unveiled the newly launched vehicles at the event. Some of the features of the vehicles include black premium interior, stylish LED DRLs, Follow Me Home featured headlamps, dual front airbags, ABS with EBD system, reverse parking sensor and electric adjustable OVRM. Coordinator for conduction of selection trials of Manipur Sepak Takraw junior team in the press release informed that the state-level selection trials of Manipur Sepak Takraw team for participating in the upcoming 22nd Junior Sepak Takraw Championship 2018 will be held at Kumalampak Indoor Stadium on October 17 and 19. The championship will be held at Guwahati, Assam from 26th to 30th of this month. Now before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Normalcy awaits Manipur University. All arrested students and teachers of Manipur University released unconditionally from Sajiwa jail today. Governor Najma Heptullah assures to meet interlocutor R.N. Ravi and urge him to refrain from giving controversial statements hurting the people of Manipur. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren assures of restoring normalcy in Manipur University without further delay. Mahun Minister T.H. Shyamkumar says state government plans to set up an exclusive mall for selling organic vegetables and food items. And BJP Manipur Pradesh and its allies accord warm reception to Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren on being acclaimed as India's best three chief ministers.